Welcome to the installation video of the CURT 11768 Class 1 trailer hitch on the 2004 Honda CR-V. For a better view of the installation, we'll be using a lift. Like most of our installations, this vehicle does not need to be elevated for the install. We estimate this installation to take 15 to 30 minutes depending on your level of expertise. These are the tools necessary for the install. Begin by lowering the exhaust by removing 2 rubber isolators. We recommend using a soapy water mixture or spray lubricant and a pry bar to ease the removal process. Starting on the driver's side, bend the end of the tab nut for ease of installation and insert it inside the frame rail through the larger foremost attachment point. Repeat this process on the opposite side. Raise the hitch into position. Attach the hitch to the frame with the supplied hardware by bolting the hardware into the tab nuts. Fasten the hitch to the vehicle tow loop by passing the supplied U-bolt over the tow loop and through the hitch. Secure with washers, lock washers, and hex nuts. Torque all hardware to the exact value specified in the supplied instruction sheet. Reinstall the exhaust rubber isolators. This completes the installation of the CURT 11768 Class 1 trailer hitch on the 2004 Honda CR-V. Find all the CURT products for your ride, and thank you for watching this video. Now you can bring it.